In this video, I will show you how to fix the blank screen when you're loading the GPS Ninja and you're not getting any maps. There is an easy fix. Let me show you how to do it. First, you have to uninstall any GPS Ninja app you have installed. It could be any name, but it will look like this logo. So you have to go and delete the any GPS Ninja app you have. And once you delete it, then I'll show you what to do. So you just go there, delete the app first, then go on to the website on Google, or let me show you Google. Go google.com and then search for this app. It's called GPS Ninja Joystick. Once you hit that, it will load the website for you, and then you look for the website called gpsjoystick.theappsninja.com. You click this link and then you click on unlock features and you download the first one, 64-v8a.apk, and you say save to download. It's gonna download the app for you. Then you open the app and you install. Then you open the app. First thing what you have to do, no thanks, see these three horizontal line on top left, click on it, then click on the settings, and then disable this enable indirect mocking, and then just have this display distance enable, and anything else should be left as it is, nothing change, only you disable one, enable indirect mocking. And then you go to get current location. It's asking for the permission, you say yes, then you click on start, and it's draw permission required, you click on it, and then you enable the draw permissions. You go back again, get current location, you click on start, and it's gonna ask you to enable the mock location for the app. My mock location is all the way on the down. Your could be somewhere else within the developer options. So you enable it, select mock location, app is now GPS joystick. And now you go back to the GPS joystick, click on get current location, you click on it, and then you start the GPS Ninja. And then click on the second icon on the top, here it shows like a flag, that's the map. You click on it, will take you to the map. And the best place for Pokemon Go GPS spoofing in San Francisco by the Fisherman Wharf, Pier 39. That's the best place. So you go California, then you go to the San Francisco, and then you go to the Fisherman Wharf, and you place here the blue, and it will teleport you to this location. And then you have to hit the teleport to this location on the bottom. See this, and it's also showing how much cooldown time you have is 2 hours. So you teleport to this location. If I go back to the map, it show me I'm in the California, and I go close the map. And now since my cooldown time is 2 hours, so right now is 9:51, so I should be able to play the game around 12 o'clock a.m. So I'm just gonna, at this point, I'm just gonna go and stop the Pokemon Go, the GPS Ninja app, and I just cut off. And I'm not gonna do anything. I will wait for 2 hours. When the cooldown period is done, then I will go back and play the game. So let's say when the 2 hours is done, what you have to do, go back, open your GPS joystick, and then you choose the use last location. Don't choose get current location. You have to choose the use last location. Click start, and starting your GPS joystick. And then you go to the map, and it will still show you are by the San Francisco, by the Fisherman Wharf. And then you just stop. No, you just here is the map. You close the map, and then you start your Pokemon Go and play the Pokemon Go that way, and you should be good to go. Thank you for watching.